Something in that fall irrevocably changed. And when I woke up, I couldn't even remember why I'd tried to commit suicide. I just knew it were alright, even if Dad were a cripple. And I asked Mum what had kept her going through all that happened, and she said she didn't know. But she did say there was this one time, just after she brought him home, there was this one day where she just couldn't cope anymore, and she got a load of pills and a whiskey bottle, and she lined them all up in a row. And just before she were about to take them all, she heard Dad moan from next door. So she goes in to see him, and she looks down at his face, and on it is a smile. Just a brief one. Just for a second. And then it were gone. And maybe life isn't about the tragedies. Maybe that stuff's normal. Hurt and heartache, loneliness and despair. Maybe it's those moments that keep you going through all that darkness. The little things, like a delicious dinner, or a tiny act of kindness, or a smile, just for a second. And maybe it isn't about giving up, and we should all try. But let me tell you something. Life is bloody weird, isn't it?